You guys ready? That's right. We're gonna fucking destroy this bitch-ass boss. Fucking bitch. We're coming after you. With the fucking chair pose, that's right. Move it on a dance league! Coming for you! My sukata! I'm living my kingdom. Stop flexing. You're a weeb and nobody likes you. I don't know. You gotta stop giving me workouts, please. In the end, I will be untold. Untold. Oh, I'm gonna give him a fucking bitch slap. Ready? That's right, bitch. Bitch, you're a fucking bitch and you deserve to die. Bitch, nobody likes your muscle. But for now, oh shit. But for now, I'm stuck in the abyss. Yeah, try to fucking punch me, bitch. Buchikolase. Stuck in the abyss. Stuck in the... Oh shit, okay. Stuck in the abyss. Oh my god, here it comes. Yo! Let's go, bestie! Day's night, Makura Nasekai. But nothing scary here, it's just the way I like. The darkness in my eyes. I turn it into energy and something, I locked it. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. Like you bow down on your knees. I need more kunai, let's go. So-chan, give me power, cause I really need it now. Holy shit, he's only 50% down. The piss. Piss. Fucking piss. I'm gonna piss. I really need to piss. Oh my god, let me go. Stuck in the abyss. I really need to piss. I really need to piss. I really need to. I really actually have to go to the bathroom. I think I should have went before the stream. Holy shit! Does he ever die? In the end, we'll find our home. Meant to be. What? I'm really gonna fade soon. Oh shit, the song ended and he's still not dead. What the fuck? This guy really is the boss. What the fuck? Do we need to play a longer song or something? Are you kidding me? Okay.